What's going on, guys? Manny here with Beer Run Bus, and today we're going to go over all the things that we've got done in the past couple of days. And it's also a really big day because our 12-volt air conditioner is coming in the mail, and we're about to be on our way to go pick up our Max Air fan. So let's go. So on the roof, we're doing 600 watts of solar, a 12-volt air conditioner, and a Max Air fan. And I really hope it all fits. If it doesn't, we're just going to end up doing 400 watts of solar and the air conditioner and the Max Air fan just to make sure it fits. But after doing some measurements, I'm pretty sure that all of it will fit up there. It's going to be tight, but we'll see. And we are here. Let's go inside and grab the fan. All right, so we got the Max Air fan. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the AC, and then we're gonna go install them. So my air conditioner is here. We're about to go get it from the truck.
Crazy. The dogs are eating soup.
Here it is. We bought the Medics RTX 2000. We paid like $3,000 for this bad boy. So really excited to get it installed. So let's unbox it. So sexy is the only word that I have for this thing. It looks so beautiful. It's a little bigger than I thought it would be, but it's definitely a nice unit. It's nice and slim. So let's see how we can get this thing up to the roof and get it installed. My wife's here, so she's probably gonna help me bring it up there, but hopefully we are strong enough. All right, so this is the accessory box that came with the RTX 2000, and it seems pretty well packaged. It comes with a gasket. I think this is a gasket. And it comes with this inside cover. I think it's really big. It looks nice, but it is extremely big for what I was expecting. Comes with a wire harness. Not bad. Seems like a pretty long wire harness. And then it comes with two brackets here. These brackets are obviously to mount it from the inside so it doesn't move around. Comes with two of those. And then it comes with this massive behemoth. This book is the instructions, and it looks like it comes in maybe like 10 or 15 different languages. This is a massive book. Good instructions. And then all the things that you're gonna need to install it are here. You see, this is what we do for fun. It's my birthday tomorrow, by the way, so that's my birthday gift. That's how you know I'm 30, when I buy myself things like this. All right, so we're up here on the roof right now. We have our two solar panels, and the AC came with a roof window template. We're gonna be using some metal cutting blades, a jigsaw, and one of these guys to drill our hole right in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and measure it out.